shoe will be covered. Unfortunately, we still have some more hoops to go through. The term orthopedic shoe and the term modified need to be clarified. So let's start with orthopedic shoe. This can be defined in 3 different ways. So, already you can see like, wow, the insurance companies sure have a lot of leeway. And, the truth is that there are no rules, there are guidelines. And so it's perfectly within their right to do it. But it means that, yeah, you have to do a little more homework to find out which definition are they using. So the first definition is the most liberal. A shoe that meets the 10 criteria of the Orthopedic Association of Canada, which I'm going to show you in a minute. The second definition is a little bit more strict. This would be a shoe that meets the PAC standards, but also must be available in half sizes, variable widths, and have some extra depth in the shoe. The third definition is the most strict and most limited. It's a shoe that meets PAC standards and the standards of number 2, and it's manufactured and marketed as an orthopedic shoe. The 2 brands that TOG carries that meet those standards of the third point are PW Minor and Atrex. Okay. Now, having said that, let's just take a quick look at the definition of footwear by Orthopedic Association of Canada. Just to go back, it says here a shoe that meets the 10 criteria of the Orthopedic Association, and what I did in this list here is I actually consolidated 2 points into one. So you'll see there are only 9 points here, okay? I didn't miss anything, I just consolidated 2. So this is the definition: removable sock liner or insert, extra depth, adjustable closure. So in other words, slip-ons don't work. Sandals that are flip-floppy sandals don't meet this. A smooth protective inner lining. So again, something like a flip-flop would never meet this. Has to have a broad outsole, last pattern. So last is, to put it simply, sort of that bottom skeleton of the shoe. And an upper that accommodates the entire anatomy of the shoe. So we don't want toes sticking out of the shoe. Okay, that doesn't cut it. There has to be enough